Software subscription. How it works, why it's profitable, and how you can make money from it. Introduction. The rise of software subscriptions in the last decade, the way people buy and use software, has completely changed. In the past, software was something you bought once, installed on your computer, and used forever. Today, software has become a subscription-based service where users pay monthly or yearly fees to access tools, platforms, and digital services. This model is called the software subscription model, also known as SaaS, software as a service. From small creators to billion-dollar companies, software subscriptions now power the modern digital economy. Tools like Netflix, Spotify, Canva, Adobe Notion, ChatGPT, and thousands of other platforms run on subscriptions. In this video, we will explain what software subscriptions are, why companies love them, why users pay for them, and most importantly, how you can make money from software subscriptions. Even if you don't create software yourself, what is a software subscription? A software subscription is a business model where users pay a recurring fee monthly, yearly, or sometimes weekly to access software. Instead of owning the software permanently, users rent access as long as they keep paying. This model benefits both sides. Users get continuous updates, support, and cloud access. Companies get predictable, recurring revenue. Examples of software subscriptions include productivity tools, Notion, Microsoft 365 Design Software, Canva Pro, Adobe Creative, Cloud AI Tools, ChatGPT+, Midjourney Finance Tools, QuickBooks, budgeting apps, marketing software, email tools, SEO tools. Subscriptions are now everywhere because they are simple, scalable, and profitable. Why software subscriptions are so profitable? The software subscription model is one of the most profitable business models in the world. There are several reasons for this. First, recurring income. Instead of making one sale, companies earn money every month from the same customer. A customer paying $20 per month is worth $240 per year. Second, low marginal cost. Once software is built, adding new users costs very little. There is no physical inventory, no shipping, and no manufacturing. Third, high customer lifetime value. Many users stay subscribed for years. A single customer can generate thousands of dollars over time. Fourth, global reach. Software can be sold worldwide instantly. Anyone with internet access can become a customer. This is why investors love software companies and why so many online businesses now focus on subscriptions. Why users prefer subscription software? People often ask why users are willing to pay every month instead of buying software once. The answer is simple: convenience and value. Subscription software usually offers regular updates and new features, cloud access from any device, customer support, security updates, integration with other tools for businesses and creators. Paying a small monthly fee is easier than paying a large one-time cost. Subscriptions also reduce risk because users can cancel anytime. Types of software. Subscription models. Not all subscriptions work the same way. There are several common models. Monthly subscription. Users pay every month. This is common for AI tools, productivity apps, and streaming platforms. Annual subscription. Users pay once per year, often at a discount. This helps companies improve cash flow and retention. Freemium model. Basic features are free, but advanced features require payment. This is one of the most powerful growth strategies. Tiered pricing. Different plans for different users. For example, Basic, Pro, and Enterprise plans. Usage-based pricing. Users pay based on how much they use the software, such as API calls or storage. Understanding these models is important if you want to earn money from software subscriptions. How software subscriptions make people rich. Many of today's richest tech entrepreneurs built their wealth using subscription software. But you don't need to be a programmer or startup founder to benefit. People make money from software subscriptions in multiple ways: affiliate marketing, reselling software, creating niche SaaS, YouTube reviews, consulting, and setup services. Bundling software with services. This is where opportunity opens for beginners. Making money with software subscriptions without coding. One of the biggest myths is that you must build software to make money from subscriptions. In reality, most people earn money without creating software. Affiliate marketing for software. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start. You promote software tools and earn commissions when people subscribe using your link. Many software companies pay 20% to 50% recurring commissions. Some pay lifetime commissions. For example, if a tool pays $10 per month commission and you refer 50 users, that's $500 every month. Recurring AI tools, marketing software, and finance apps are especially profitable. YouTube Plus software subscriptions. YouTube is one of the best platforms to promote subscription software. Popular video types include Software reviews, tutorials, comparisons, best tools for beginners, AI tools that save time and money. You don't need millions of views. A small but targeted audience converts very well for software tools. This is why finance and tech YouTube channels earn high CPM and affiliate income. Software subscriptions plus AI tools. AI tools are the fastest growing subscription category right now. Millions of people subscribe to AI software for writing, design, video editing, automation, and productivity. Examples of AI subscription categories: writing and content tools, image and video, generation voiceover, and audio tools, data analysis and automation. Creators who review and explain AI tools often earn more from affiliates than from ads. Reselling software as a service. Another powerful method is software reselling. Some companies allow you to resell their software under your own brand or as an official partner. You find clients, handle onboarding, provide basic support, earn monthly commissions. This works very well for marketing agencies, freelancers, consultants, small businesses. You don't build software, but you build relationships. Creating services around subscription software. Many people don't want to learn how to use software. They want results. You can offer services like setting up tools, managing accounts, optimizing workflows, training teams, for example. You can charge clients to set up their CRM, email software, or AI tools. The software subscription runs in the background while you earn service fees. Bundling software with digital products. Another smart strategy is bundling. You combine software subscriptions with guides, templates, or courses. For example, AI tool plus prompt pack finance software, plus budget template marketing tool plus strategy guide. This increases perceived value and allows higher pricing. Subscription economics. Why recurring income is powerful. Recurring income changes how you think about money. Instead of starting from zero every month, you build a base. For example, month 1, $100, month 2, $200, month 3, $400, month 6, $1,000 plus. This compounding effect is why subscription income is considered one of the best long-term wealth strategies. Risks and challenges of software subscriptions. While subscriptions are powerful, they are not risk-free. Common challenges include high competition, customer churn, software shutting down, changing commission structures. The solution is diversification. Never depend on one tool or one income source. Software subscriptions in finance niche. Finance software subscriptions include budgeting tools, accounting software, trading platforms, investment tracking apps. These tools usually have very high lifetime value, making them ideal for affiliates and content creators. Finance plus software subscriptions equals high CPM plus strong commissions. Future of software subscriptions. The future of software subscriptions is strong. Trends include AI-powered tools, personalized pricing, micro-subscriptions, all-in-one platforms, automation software. As more work moves online, subscriptions will only increase. Step by step, beginner roadmap. Here is a simple roadmap to start earning from software subscriptions. Choose one niche, AI finance, productivity. Pick 2 to 3 good software tools. Join their affiliate programs. Create content explaining real use cases. Build trust, not hype. Scale with consistency. You don't need perfection, you need action. Final thoughts. Why software subscriptions are a goldmine. Software subscriptions are not just a trend, they are the foundation of the modern digital economy. They create predictable income, scalable businesses, and long-term opportunities. Whether you are a YouTuber, freelancer, blogger, or beginner, software subscriptions allow you to earn without inventory, without shipping, and without massive investment. If you focus on education, honesty, and value, software subscriptions can become one of the most powerful income streams of your life. Call to action, YouTube. Oh, true. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, subscribe to NextGen Finance, and comment below which software category you want to learn about next. The future of money is digital and software. Subscriptions are at the center of it.